My name is Matt Daniel, and I've been an attorney with Ferrer Poirot Wansbrough since 2006. In my practice, I focus on representing people injured when corporations put profits over people. Whether it be a trucking company that did not properly maintain its vehicles, a medical device manufacturer not thoroughly testing devices before they bring them to market, or a drug manufacturer who intentionally withholds evidence of risks of their medication from doctors and patients. Outside the office, I'm married to the best attorney I know, and I'm the proud father of a 6-year-old boy and a 3-year-old little girl. When I'm not working, I'm probably parenting. My wife and I love to travel with our family and show our children the world. We like to rent boats and RVs and get off the beaten path with the kids. At home, I really like to cook. I think I'm pretty good at it, and you can tell by looking at me I like my own cooking. I grew up fishing, a lot. I'm the son of an avid fly fisher. But when I lost my father to cancer, I stopped fishing. It wasn't until my little boy became obsessed with fishing after he was introduced to it by my father-in-law that I got back into it. Now, time spent in the water with my 2 kids is my favorite way to spend a weekend. My favorite thing about my practice is the satisfaction I get at the end of a case. People come to me at a low point in their lives, after the unthinkable has happened. I can't bring back their loved ones, but I can help them bring about closure by holding someone accountable for what happened to them. Through my job, I can help a family recover from tragedy and put them back on the road to success.